I'm Celebrity Chef Mariko, and today I'm going to show you how to make a garden spinach dip recipe. This is a fantastic recipe that is a great appetizer for any party. So spinach dip usually has a lot of bad ingredients in it. It has a lot of mayonnaise and different sour creams that are really high in fat and calories. So today I'm going to show you how to make a really healthy version, and you can eat the whole entire bowl without feeling guilty. First, you'll want to get a mixing bowl, and then you're going to want to add some Greek yogurt. This is going to be about a half a cup of Greek yogurt. I love using Greek yogurt, this is the non-fat plain type, in place of sour cream or mayonnaise because it's got that really rich flavor, but it also is really high in protein and doesn't have the fat or calories. So it makes a great substitution in this spinach dip recipe. So I've got about a half a cup of Greek yogurt here, and then I'm gonna add 1 cup of spinach. This is a frozen spinach that I've actually thawed and drained. You'll just want to put it in a colander and get all of the extra moisture out of there, okay? Then I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of grated cheese. Today I'm using some mozzarella, but you could use some feta or some cheddar or some smoked Gouda would be really good, whatever your favorite is. And now, because this is a garden spinach recipe, you can get creative with different types of fresh vegetables. I have some grated red bell pepper. It's going to add a lot of color to this. And then I've got some grated carrots. And you could get really creative. You could do some grated celery or different herbs like parsley. Some fennel would be really delicious in it. It's a really hip vegetable right now. And I've got a little bit of onion. And then I'm gonna season it. I've got a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. And so as you can see, this garden spinach dip has tons of fresh, beautiful vegetables in it, and it's gonna have a lot of flavors without a lot of fat. And then this is just an Italian herb mixture. Now I'm just gonna mix everything together until it is blended and well combined. So there's a few different ways you can make your spinach dip. You could serve it just like this, or you could make the same exact dip and then you could bake it in the oven. So if you like one of those hot, bubbly spinach dips, all you would need to do is put it in an oven-safe dish at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. All right, now that all my ingredients are mixed together, I'm just gonna put it in a little serving bowl. Okay. And now it is ready to serve with your favorite crackers or bread. This is Mariko showing you how to make a garden spinach dip. Enjoy.